Right now, the US dollar is dying in slow motion. In 2025, the dollar posted its worst annual performance in nearly a decade. The national debt crossed $39 trillion, and for the first time in history, no major credit agency rates US sovereign debt at the highest tier. Most people are watching this happen and doing nothing. They're holding cash, trusting banks, waiting for someone to fix it. But history doesn't wait, and neither do the elite. Today, I'm going to show you the only 5 assets that have survived every economic collapse in modern history. The assets the wealthy are quietly loading up on right now, while the average person owns 0 of them. And real quick, if this is the kind of financial education that actually moves the needle for you, hit that subscribe button right now, because we drop content like this every single week, and you do not want to miss what's coming. Before we get into the assets, let's be clear about what we're actually dealing with. This isn't a theory. This isn't fear-mongering. The dollar lost roughly 10% of its value against major currencies between January 2025 and March 2026. That is not a prediction. That already happened. We're watching a slow-motion currency collapse, the kind that has played out in the Weimar Republic, in Argentina, in Venezuela, the kind that always wipes out the people who weren't prepared. But here's what financial history also teaches us. Every collapse creates a massive wealth transfer. The money doesn't disappear. It moves. It moves from those who held the wrong assets to those who held the right ones. So let's talk about the right ones. Asset number 1, physical gold and silver. Gold surged 66% in 2025. Silver gained over 140%. These aren't speculative bets. These are 5,000-year-old stores of value doing exactly what they were designed to do. When fiat currencies collapse, gold doesn't crash with them. It absorbs the panic. This is your inflation hedge, your safe haven asset, your foundation. The first thing any serious wealth preservation strategy begins with. Own it physically, not paper gold, not an ETF. Metal in your hands, metal that carries no counterparty risk. Asset number 2, Bitcoin, digital scarcity. Bitcoin is digital gold. There will only ever be 21 million coins. No government can print more. No central bank can devalue it. In 2026, Bitcoin is trading between $70,000 and $150,000 following institutional adoption through exchange-traded funds. Analysts call it digital land, and that framing is exactly right. A small allocation, even 1 to 5% of your portfolio, gives you exposure to an asset that exists entirely outside the traditional banking system. During a dollar collapse, that matters more than most people realize. Asset number 3, income-producing real estate. When the dollar weakens, the nominal value of hard assets goes up. Real estate has survived every major financial crisis in history, not because it's flashy, because it produces cash flow. Rent doesn't disappear during a recession. In fact, demand for affordable rental housing typically increases. This isn't about flipping properties. This is about owning real estate that puts money in your pocket every single month. Money that adjusts with inflation, because rents adjust with inflation. Asset number 4, commodities, land, energy, agriculture. The world runs on real things: food, energy, water, raw materials. When currencies collapse, commodities don't vanish. They're scarce by nature. Farmland in particular has an extraordinary track record as a wealth preservation vehicle. It generates yield. It's finite. And unlike paper assets, you cannot print more farmland. Energy positions, oil, natural gas, uranium, function the same way. The world needs them. That need doesn't disappear in a financial crisis. Asset number 5, a cash-flowing business or marketable skill. This is the one most people completely overlook, and it might be the most powerful asset on this list. When the dollar loses value, skills do not. A business that generates consistent cash flow is an inflation-proof income machine. A rare skill that solves real problems will always command value in any currency, in any economy, in any era. The elite don't just own assets, they build income-generating systems. That could be a service business, a digital product, a consulting practice, anything that puts money in your account without requiring you to sell a physical asset first. Here's the truth that most people don't want to hear. Economic collapse doesn't destroy wealth. It transfers it from the unprepared to the prepared. Gold and silver, Bitcoin, income-producing real estate, commodities, cash-flowing business. These are the 5 assets that history has validated again and again as the ones that don't just survive a financial crisis, they thrive in one. The question isn't whether the dollar will continue to weaken. The data already answers that. The only question is, will you be on the right side of this wealth transfer? Now, I do want to be straight with you before we wrap up. Everything I've shared in this video is for educational purposes only. None of this is personalized financial advice. Do your own research. Talk to a licensed professional. Make decisions that are right for your situation. If this video gave you clarity, drop a comment below, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Elite Grind Group. This is the kind of financial education that could change your entire trajectory. And as always, stay focused, stay consistent, stay elite.